Hello everyone! Instead of giving a weekly update on all my projects, I decided this time to give an update on one of the projects I'm going to do in June, called State of Fashion in Arnhem, and the quilts I'm going to hand in for their sustainable wardrobe. And I'm doing it in my new African outfit, because second-hand stores are awesome. Basically, I've been looking around in the area where I live to find projects and festivals and things like that where I can appear as Ass Quilts to show people the magic of quilting. One of those places is the State of Fashion Festival in Arnhem. During that festival, I think it's a week or something like that, there are workshops, talks, and there's like a sort of exhibition place to show what you can do with fashion to make it sustainable. And I've always seen Ass Quilts as what is between wearing an item and landfills. Like if you cannot wear an item anymore, you can turn it into a quilt. For example, if this shirt is not good anymore, it will become a lovely quilt. So I'm doing a workshop there, I think the 11th of June, I have to check the date, check my website for the date, where we're going to make the welcome blanket for refugees. And I'm also going to hand in a few items for their sustainable wardrobe, which is meant to give people inspiration of what they can do with clothes to be more sustainable. And I hope I can do a talk there with storytelling, but I'm not sure about that yet. So this time I'm going to update you on the quilts I'm going to hand in. I'm starting with this one. This is the Ass Quilt Sampler to Save the World, which is the second class of the classes I'm offering, which is what follows after the beginner class. The beginner class is to make the memory quilt, this one. You can all follow through my email list, so go to my website, it's called A Taste of Quilting, you can enroll. This one is the second one you can access when you become part of Quilt College. Also, you can do that through my website. So I'm going to give this one because it's part of my product and it also shows what you can do with clothes. This one is made from tablecloths and some clothes. So this one. Another quilt I'm going to hand in is my sock quilt, to show that you can upcycle any kind of materials. Because socks is one of those forgotten items of clothes. But I did hear from Sock by Sock that around 30% of the amount of socks gets destroyed. So it's good to show that you can also make it into a lovely bath mat. It's super soft. I enjoy brushing my teeth while standing on this one, but I'm sacrificing that feet massage morning time to be able to show it in the wardrobe. The third quilt is going to be this penguin tote bag. I'm going to show this one because it shows a very easy way where you can have a small project with quilt techniques to make something people have millions of, like canvas tote bags, to personalize it so you actually use it. Because a canvas tote bag is used to have sustainable shopping bags, but if you don't use the canvas tote bags, it's not more sustainable. If you have a closet of 20 of those you don't use, and you get a new one every time you buy something, it's not sustainable. So I'm showing you can personalize it so you enjoy it and use it more often. The fourth one I'm going to hand in is this Harry Potter quilt. I don't know if you can see it in its entirety, which I made together with my mom, and this is kinda how she taught me how to quilt. And I'm going to hand this one in to show the motherly love part of quilting and how comfortable it can be for any kind of bed for anyone. I sleep under it, but it's also for kids and for old people and stuff like that. So these are the four quilts I'm going to hand in. Which one do you like most, and do you want to come and visit me at State of Fashion? I invite you to let me know which quilt you like most, and I'll talk to you later.